Hey friend, it's real hot and heavy right now about the dismantling of the United States government. So let's talk about it. Instead of being afraid, what I've chosen to do is to do what rich people do. Keep going. Create your own. The hottest thing that you can do right now, if you work for the federal government, if you work for a school district, if you will be affected by any of the changes that are going on right now, listen, the best thing that you can do is get your money, and I want to tell you how. See, you have skills right now that can still pay the bills. You may not understand it. You really may be feeling like, oh my God, what in the world am I about to do? Have no fear. That's why I came on, because I want to tell you which way to go. You see, right now, you can take what skills you have and create digital products. There is somebody that needs to understand and know what you specialize in. That specialty can include something that you do every day on your job. Let's take HR and recruiting. Do you know how many people want to know how to excel in corporate America? I mean, if we're really going to a merit-based system, how do I succeed in a merit-based system? How do I organize? How do I clean? How do I style myself so that when I get in rooms, I look like money, I feel like money, and I attract money to me? You see, a lot of skills that we have, we can change those skills into a digital product and make money from them. And that's exactly what I want to show you how to do. But not only just make the product, I'm going to take you all the way to where to sell the product and how to replace your current income and get money on a monthly recurring basis, just like that check every single month, so that you can set your life up. And baby, if you got a check, that removes that fear, right? All right, so let's get into it. Let's go. Like this video. Share it with every single person that you know. I need the internet to blow up, okay? Because right now, today, we all need this. So do not let this video pass you by without you liking it and sharing it on your channel, on your social media pages, in your text, in your emails, baby, wherever you got to share it. Let everybody know TJ stepping up to tell us something. All right. I love you to life. I'm looking forward to working with you, and I'm looking forward to you not feeling the effects of this like a lot of people are. Because when you let that fear take over your vibration, it can only go down from there. All right. We're not going to be afraid. We are going to be conquerors. Okay. I love you to life. I'll see you on the other side.